Good morning, kindergarten. We are ready to review a letter today. All right, look at that. What letter do we have up here today? The letter G. This is an uppercase G. G is for gooey gum. G makes the G sound. Here is a lowercase g for gooey gum. G makes the G sound. Alright, there is a G. Without looking at the character, just seeing the letter, we can know this is an uppercase G. Go up, curve it around, go in and stop. Lowercase g, curve it around and close it, come down the side and make the hook. G is also for goat. Alright, we have our letter cup. Uppercase G and lowercase g on it. Let's see what's in there today. There is a guitar. Guitar begins with G. That is a gift. It's very tiny. Gift is another word for present. Gift begins with a G. And we have some gum. Gum begins with the letter G. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to pull up a book to share with you.
Abdo Kids, The Alphabet, G by Bella Davis, Abdo Publishing Company. Gabe grins gladly. Gia gives Grandma a great big hug. George and Greta act goofy. Grace lies in the grass. Gavin gives a gift. Gabby grows green grapes. Gwen gets good grades. Gus runs in the gym. What does Grant feed? A goat. More G words. Ghost, gorilla, glasses, grasshopper.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
G is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. G is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. G is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. G is a consonant, a letter in the alphabet. G, 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 g. I know a girl, 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 girl. She chews gum, 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 gum. The gum is green, 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 green. It tastes good, 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 good. J, 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 j. I saw a giraffe, 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 giraffe. In the gym, 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 gym. It was giant, 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 giant. It was gentle, 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 gentle.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class.
All right, boys and girls, now we are going to work on the letter G. Have your paper out. Your name can go anywhere up there at the top. There's not a certain spot for it. All right, we are going to write a row of uppercase G's. You're going to start near the top, curve it around, down to the bottom line, come back up, and go in. It's almost like a C, but then we go on up and slide in and stop. Curve it around, go in and stop. G is for gooey gum and makes the G sound. But just like you saw in that video, sometimes G can be soft and sound like a J, like in the word giraffe or gym. Every once in a while it borrows the sound from the letter J, but most of the time it is G for gooey gum. Okay, lowercase g, you're going to go to the dotted line, curve it around and close it, come down the side, go under, and make a hook. Curve it around and close it like an O, go down the side, go under, and make the hook. Lowercase g. Okay, let's look at our pictures. You are going to color the pictures that begin with the G sound. We have glue, goat, turtle, gorilla, moon, gum, rainbow, goose, and guitar. All right, boys and girls, we're going to color the ones that begin with G for the letter G. So I heard a G at the beginning of glue, goat, gorilla, gum, goose, and guitar. All right, boys and girls, work on your paper, color neatly, and write those G's neatly.